He said I love you perfect. I love you. The truth? Good girl. Look at the grippers.
Open the door or I'm gonna...
I'm trying to read. I'm trying to read.
Popom da çok güzel.
Lucy. It's like having real kids.
Oh man, I wish I knew where Richard was.
Run away. Run away.
Really, Pop? What's wrong? What? Baby girl, what's going on?
I'm not forcing her, I swear. She just is choosing. I tried to put her down and she doesn't want to.
The thing about wontons is she recognizes certain words. So if you casually mention a word like the word
Hola, tu papá.
Hola, amigo. Tita.
Oh no. No,
Hi, sweet baby. You don't have a home, do you? How much more of a circle can you be?
You can't make me. No, no, no. I'm coming out.
Sable. What are you doing?
Oh, I can't wake him up.
Are you having war flashback?
Oh, okay. I didn't even get to finish my thought. Oh, I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. Thank you. There it is.
Later, she doesn't like Beyonce's music. No, Bean hates Beyonce.
No more work? Okay, I guess I'm done. You're right.
Fred, that is not...
Here is hanging from her bedroom door. What are you doing, Pookie? Pook?
What are you doing? Birdie. What are you doing?
Thank you, Rose.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass.
How did you get outside? How did you get outside? That was a recreation of the ghost meow.
No!
What are you doing?
Let's go. Come on, girl. Come on, let's go home. Come on, there we go. Come on. Oh, buddy, there.
Sleepy boy.
I identify as a cat, but according to my mom,